Why is that the case in 2024? People who are using advanced Excel are getting only 5 LPA, but people who are integrating AI in their MS Excel are getting upwards of 24 LPA. It is because people who are integrating AI in their MS Excel are able to create dashboard under 2 minutes. People who are integrating AI in their MS Excel are able to use 200 plus Excel formulas without even remembering any of them, because they are using AI for that as well. And people who are using AI in their MS Excel are able to use macros in Excel in 10x faster way and without having any prior knowledge. And they are also able to analyze data in Excel under 2 minutes. So it is absolutely compulsory for you in 2024 to master AI in MS Excel. So you have two options. Option number one is watch hundreds of hours of content on YouTube and hope that you will find something useful for your career and spend lakhs of rupees in getting certified. Or you have option number two, which is join my MS Excel using AI workshop
just at ₹99,
where you are going to get certified in MS Excel using AI. Not only that, thousands of my students have joined this workshop and received salary hike of anywhere between 5 LPA to 18 LPA. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below, sign up for my workshop. I'll see you inside my workshop.